So, if you think paint protection film just stops rock chips, I got something for you. This paint is, its technical term is fucked. The technical term is definitely fucked. It's like fuck Black German Car Week because that thing looked about the same way a couple days ago. But then after we get some nice paint protection film on it, look, you can see my fucking tired ass. Look at it there. I mean, seriously, that paint is destroyed. And this is no correction. And no, we're not cutting corners. We have a reason that we don't do correction before PPF unless there's water spots. And the reason is, you're thinning the paint for no reason, basically. Because a film can do that kind of a transition. Take paint that looks like this and makes it look like this. You don't need to correct it, you're getting the same result. The other reason is, when you correct paint, you're thinning it out a little bit. You're thinning it out. When you remove this film in whatever, 8-10 years, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna have a little adhesive left over and you're gonna have to scrub it. Yes, people don't like to use the word, but you do have to scrub it or use adhesive remover and then wipe it off, and that's gonna leave some swirls behind it, and then what are you gonna have to do? You're gonna have to correct it again. So, that's why we don't correct before PPF unless absolutely necessary. Yeah, we've been going through some film. I hate when our trash cans look like that, but that's what PPF will do for you. Dang, that shit look nice. All right, long night for Wills. Back to work.